The Pulau Burung landfill site receives solid waste from Penang Island and Seberang Perai. It has the dirtiest Leachate wastewater in Malaysia. There is no treatment for 8 years. The authority could not get anyone to treat the water, and IQPR took the challenge. On the 28th of September 2009, IQPR team went to Pulau Burung site to treat the water. The Leachate pools are not treated for the past 8 years. The Leachate water treatment gains attention from local and also foreigners. IQPR staff is rowing the boat to ensure the position is fixed. As IQPR wave generator and receiver are installed, the smell odor has reduced immediately. IQPR lab assistants test on the water quality on the spot. IQPR water is poured into the Leachate pool. IQPR testing team will take the sampling and do the testing on the spot. From the instant test result, it is shown that the COD, ammonia level and pH has decreased immediately. After a week, on the 6th October 2009, smoke is seen from the Leachate pool, which shows that the ammonium has evaporated. The authority told us that there is no such evidence in the pool before. After testing on the water quality, it is found that the COD, pH and ammonia level has decreased, and the water transparency is higher.